Please click on the link above the video to sign up. A sign-up form will appear. Select your country. Enter your phone number. Enter email address. Click on Get Verification Code. An email address will be sent to your given email. Check the junk or spam folder if the email is not in your inbox. Copy the code. Paste it. Set your password. Check the user agreement and press Continue. To avail all the features of the website, click on Complete Now. Fill up all the basic information. You can use passport or NID. Select date of birth. Fill up your address information. Click on Next Step. Fill up your financial background details. Check trading experience. Now you have to submit relevant document to proof of your identity. Click on Upload. You can submit relevant document using your mobile device too. Click on the QR code. Open your mobile and using camera or QR scanner you can upload the document. To proof your address you can do the same process as like before. Finally click on Submit. You can check your mailbox for further notification. If you need any additional help, you can reach support here. You can deposit funds by click here. To download MT4, click here. You can download MT4 for different platform or devices from here. Just download, install and begin trading.